Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We have a massive move of XRP, which I will be getting to in just a moment. I have some other whale alerts to go over first, and then afterwards, we're going to go over the major news. So let's go ahead and get started. First up here, we have $109 million of USDC that was transferred from an unknown wallet over to Coinbase, $300 million of USDC that went to an unknown wallet. Then we have $407 million worth of USDC to an unknown wallet, $200 million worth, again, an unknown wallet, $407 million, that same amount essentially that we were seeing here just a little bit before, and that was moved to an unknown wallet. And this is what we're typically seeing every day, is some massive amount of USDC, a 9-figure base number, and that amount is moving from an unknown wallet to another unknown wallet, shuffling essentially every single day. It's going to be crazy if they somehow mess up their send even a single time, because then it's just gone. So now moving on, we've got $300 million worth of USDC transferred from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. Then we've got $126.8 million worth of Bitcoin to an unknown wallet. We've got Pi, look at that, nearly $116 million worth that was transferred from Paxos to an unknown wallet. We have nearly $110 million worth of USDT that was transferred from the Tethered Treasury over to Bitfinex, and then from Bitfinex to an unknown wallet. And then look at this, guys. $50 million worth of XRP that was transferred from an unknown wallet over to Coinbase. Because this went to a centralized exchange, suggestively, it would mean that they might be looking to sell it. But that's not always necessarily the case. It could be just trying to influence markets. There might be some other elements that are coming into play. But typically when you see it going to a centralized exchange, you're thinking that they're getting ready to sell it. That's quite a bit of XRP. Moving on, we have $250 million worth of USDC minted at the Treasury. And that's basically it for the whale alerts. Now moving on to news. Breaking, Jack Dorsey's Square just announced to automatically turn on Bitcoin payments for 4 million businesses today. Everyone will now accept Bitcoin by default. This is absolutely massive. Also, some relevant news. We have Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who says that he now expects the Clarity Act to be signed by the end of May. This is later than his previous forecast. So a lot of people were hoping we're going to see it here at the end of March, going into April. Brad Garlinghouse is thinking by the end of May. $308 billion has been wiped out from stocks in just 30 minutes after the market opened. That is absolutely brutal, and we've been seeing stock markets taking hits essentially day over day. Trident Digital Tech announced a plan to raise $500 million to add XRP as a treasury reserve asset. The company also revealed interest in engaging within the Ripple ecosystem, as well as select infrastructure and application projects to boost DeFi adoption. $2 trillion BNP Paribas just announced to launch Bitcoin and crypto ETF. Let's see what happens next there. We've got XRP positioned for explosive breakout as Ripple CEO forecasts blowout Q1 following $4 billion buying spree. And this coming directly from Brad Garlinghouse himself. He goes on to say, great to join FIIKSA and Maria Bartiromo this week to discuss the crypto landscape. We've seen a shift in the perception of the industry from quote-unquote rat poison to pet rock, to rewiring the financial system. Fast forward to today, and some of the biggest companies around the world are asking, are we using stable coins and digital assets? Ripple strategically focused our deal making outside the echo chamber to bridge the gap between traditional finance and the crypto ecosystem, and those bets are paying off. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse says crypto has gone from that rat poison. As I mentioned, this is now being also reported by Cointelegraph themselves. So just helping raise more awareness. Now let's go and take a look at the price of XRP. It's at $1.34, so up a little bit on the day, which is nice. We did have a red candle yesterday at one point, dropping below $1.30. So it's definitely been taking quite a bit of a beating. People are also talking about the price of oil that barrels of it look pretty likely that they're going to be going to around $200 a barrel. So that is not good. That is something that definitely can cause ripples across the investing markets for stock, for crypto, potentially even gold and other precious metals. Now, I want to know what you guys think about all this, so share your thoughts with us down in the comments below. XRP is still quite low. Right now, moving sideways a little bit, still sitting right around that level support zone, about $1.33. So that's what I got for you guys in today's video. You can check me out over on Blue Sky if you haven't gone over there yet. I'm at Crypto Atlas. I'm also on Patreon, Crypto Atlas there. If you want to become a supporter on YouTube, you can find the YouTube membership button down below. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. God bless. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.